volley where I think Ducking Phil Foden dribbling with it.
The so-called miracle of Bern, where West Germany, as Glenn was telling you, here against City to be a 4-5-1, you would think. Man of the match, really, in Leipzig in City's last away. Here, the European championships. One has topped the group in each of the last 6 seasons. Hero feeding it wide, and the cross shot is beaten away by Edison, returning to the starting lineup tonight. That's a bright start from the switch to the right-hand side with Grealish on the left. Goes a long way, and Rodri was attacking that, and he's thinking he should have found the corner of the net. Getting the volley. Be a free kick for the challenge on Doku there. That's where he played the last game. Kovacic, here's Grealish. Across the face of goal, and an opportunity for Nunes, who couldn't keep it down. Wasn't happy with that. Nunes, his body language said so. I mean, our team were in the studio, came here, they won 3-1. Were they? QPR, Luton. Oh, there's a kind of send-up. Aimed towards Grealish, who won the head. This is the one who scored in a game against Leipzig here. Got a few hopes pinned on him, maybe. To Rodri. It's interesting.
City are putting together and just taking a lot of energy. But I think that's what it's about, you know, the role of the ball.
Eyes and intelligent. Look at Lewis. Look at Nunes towards Haaland, who looks. Enough of it. Doku's in behind here for a moment. Haaland was waiting on Haaland again. Nunes. And here behind, and doesn't finish it.
Keep a second glance. I think there's just, and this is the chance of Erling. Yeah, just gets his foot. So you do that, there's a chance here.
Given away by Nunes in midfield. But Doku, is he going to finish this? No, another save by Rakitic. He didn't really get hold of it, Doku, at all. And somehow, young boys survive another scare. Goals in this group already, and Haaland wouldn't have any of them. Would by Garcia looking for the one to him. Elia is in space, he doesn't see him. He was in a lot of space on the area there, Elia.
He certainly was, he was all on his own.
Wolves, he's gone for the return here. Fingertips of the goalkeeper. Flashes across to the Europa League final. Little deflection, Haaland with the attempted finish, couldn't get quite enough on it.
It's a lovely ball from Jack Grealish.
Coming inside, shooting, goalkeeper doesn't hold it. Nunes is there and it's scrambled off the line in the end by Benito. Back by Doku. And Camera can get it away. Got a lot of players in there header side. Doku had that great opportunity earlier on, not taking. Possibly to be seen later.
Moves the game by lack of concentration.
Ball and an opportunity here. Lampard got himself ball. What a chance! What a chance! For young boys to steal, winning the header. Volley by Blum. Really got hold of that. I think that was on its way. Grealish. Won't be a problem. Back to Blum again. Early ball in, and Itten's header lands on the top of the net. This is
a clean sheet.
He's number Akanji. That cross shot, and it took a good save. Rakitic diving away to his left, a save most goalkeepers would expect to make, but he needed saving.
Yeah, they're covering man inside as
Camera looking for the quick counter. Rodri trying to pick up. Is with the corner kick. Rodri's in. That is half time, and somehow Nunes took a deflection on the way through. Goalkeeper 2-1, but it didn't matter. Quick kick. Goes a long way. Kanji's header back. Goalkeeper with a slightly unconvincing sort of flap at the ball. Another corner is here, and off the underside of the bar, and turning in the end. Manchester City had the lead. It was a cat. He loses his footing on this pretty slippy surface. Kovacic, good challenge, good work. Of attacking instinct, the good run as well. Haaland lined up, really got hold of it. Goalkeeper right behind him. In the stadium, his name ringing. Opportunity and a chip and a fantastic goal to put young boys level. What an impudent celebrations! Can hardly see the ball. Is arrives at. Ake to stand one up. He goes up and didn't win it.
They switched on defensively.
Puts it back. Laufer's shot. Laufer's header. Right into the danger zone. Only needed a flick. The flag was up in. Qualification to bed early. Nunes. Worth a go.
Yeah, he set it up beautifully for himself, didn't he? Like,
Looking very effective back there tonight. Quick, putting out fire. Blum. Yes, getting across.
let's have a look. Yeah, just there's the first touch that goes up and it just.
And the young boys' players too. When Itten thinks of the shot, it's a bit far out.
It's slow motion, perhaps you can't see it so much.
Now, very good block by Diaz. And he's given a penalty. He's given a penalty for handball, I think. And he does score. I think the goalkeeper got something on that. Not enough. And Erling Haaland is back in business as a Champions League goal scorer. Good cross by Blum, that. Hidden down. One or two of them for a few minutes later on. Nunes with good work. Rico Lewis. Haaland, is he going to get there? Well, it looked all over as if that was going to be another Erling Haaland. And Guardiola is going to bring on Bernardo Silva. Alvarez, beautifully done. Expert finish. What a young player this is. He made that look like shelling peas. 3-1. Only been on the pitch a minute. Yeah, no goal. Rodri again. Another big chance. And Haaland is foiled yet again. Kovacic can't quite get there. Lewis tries to get Haaland. Oh, how about that? That's more like Erling Haaland. Shifted onto his right foot, planted it in the back of the net. 2 for him on the night.